In this question, mean and standard deviation of 100 observations were found to be 20 and 3. It was found that 3 observations, 21, 21 and 18 were incorrect, means that were recorded wrong or were incorrect. Find the mean and standard deviation if the incorrect observations are omitted. Now, correct observations are not given to us, and what is given? That delete this thing and find the new mean and new standard deviation. Okay. Now, given n is 100, mean is 20 and standard deviation is 3. Now this is given to us. Now is equal to 1 upon n. Now total terms are 100, so I am writing 100 here. This is equal to, now 20 is equal to 1 upon 100 summation for the 100 terms. Now therefore is equal to 20 times 100, this is 2000. One thing. Okay. Now omitting 21, 21 and 18 from the observations, then n is what? N is 97. Okay. Now let correct sum of 97 observations be capital X. Okay. Now therefore 97 is equal to 2000, negative of 21, negative of 21, negative of 18. So what we are left with? We are left with 1940. Okay. Now new mean is equal to 1 upon n with 97 terms now. One upon 97 times 1940, this is equal to 20. Now new mean is equal to 20. One of the answer. Okay. Now moving for the standard deviation. Now also is what? 1 by n 100. Now for the old data. Okay. Okay. Now standard deviation given as 3. 3 square is equal to 1 upon 100 with square of the summation for the 100 terms, negative of 20. Sorry, here to, okay, find the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, so 20. Now this 20, I have not taken this new one, I have taken this one. Okay, by chance they are equal, so don't be confused. Now this is equal to 9 is equal to 1 by 100. 400. So this is now 9 plus 400 with 100, or this becomes 40900. 40900. Okay, now when 3 observations are omitted, and which are they? 21, 21 and 18. Okay, now these are omitting. Now what will be the sum of the squares of the correct observations? So sum of squares of 97 observations be capital X. Okay, I am denoting it with capital X. Now 97 is equal to, now this will be 40900 21 square 18 square. So this becomes 40900 441 441 and 324. This is 39694. Okay. Now let correct standard deviation, or in place of correct, let me write it new. Let new standard deviation be 4. Okay. Now again using the formula is equal to 1 upon n 97 okay. New one is again 20. Now this becomes 1 upon 97 times 39694 negative of 400 is equal to 9.22. Now new standard deviation 9.22, or this is 3.03, and this is the, so new standard deviation there and new mean